Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your iPhone to your MacBook. So let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, as it really helps out the channel for me to continue to making videos like this. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is come over to your iPhone, and what I'm going to do is make sure that my Wi-Fi is on, and ideally you want to have both Wi-Fi on your MacBook. In this example, I'm using an iMac. And on my iPhone, you want to make sure that you're connected to the same network. And for that, you could see that my Wi-Fi is on. If I wanted to verify, I could just go to settings, come over to Wi-Fi, You could see I'm on that network here, and then over here, I'm on the same network. So now once you're in your iPhone and you want to transfer photos, and this is just an example of selecting a few photos. This is not how to transfer all of the photos. So in this example, it's just going to be for select few photos. Now you could do many photos, but I don't recommend it doing this way. If you have a handful of photos, maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, I'd recommend doing this. Another way of doing bulk photos is using iCloud. That might take a little longer, but in this example, I'm just going to be doing about 3 to 4 photos. So you could see right now I'm in my iPhone, and I'm just going to click over at the top here, select. And now I'm going to select the photos that I want. So I'm going to select these 4 photos. And now at the bottom left, you're going to see this little upload icon. I'm going to click on it. And now you can see at the left here, it's going to say Ron's iMac. If you don't see this, because this is a list of favorites, what I'm going to do is just click on AirDrop. So I'm going to click on AirDrop. And now it shows the people that are around me, as well as your devices. So the next thing you want to do is just press your device and click on send. And then now you can see that it has uploaded to my downloads folder. And if this doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is come over to settings, or you could go to Finder here at the top right, and you could just type in AirDrop, select enter. And there are some security settings that you can select. Over here, you can see that it says allow me to be discovered by contacts only. Because I'm myself, that'll work. If anyone is in your contacts and they try and send it to you, it'll work. Another way of doing this is, like, for example, let's say you're doing an AirDrop from an acquaintance that you meet. The first thing that you want to do is just come over here, select everyone. And then once you receive that file, go back into AirDrop again, click over here, and then contacts only. And that way, this allows you to do the new feature of tapping for Bluetooth AirDrop. But the main thing that I like to do is, if it's just an acquaintance or someone that you don't know as much, what I like to do is just select everyone. And then as soon as you receive that file, come back to AirDrop and just select contacts only. So that's it for the video. Again, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.